the pizza first.
I just want to review my Gymshark.
Boy, why can't we just 5 more clicks?
Hello. Hello, audience.
What am I doing?
You're just holding it.
Like this?
Yeah.
It started.
It's going.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, you see the red record?
Oh.
I had a good amount. So you already know, last video I said I wear leggings, not because I'm a bitch, but because I deadlift. And when you deadlift, you get scabs and you get blood all over your shins. These hybrid leggings, they sold out the first time, but I snagged them at 3 in the morning. God. I'm filming a video of my Gymshark haul. I'm filming a video of my Gymshark.
There's a camera in my hand.
There is. So they're just perforated. Outside they have the 3M. I feel like a bunch of runners are gonna buy these, but I will say the quality is a little bit better. Same waistline. They wear a little bit more. The interior, different fibers that they use, more breathability. So they're like $10 more. I love it. I'll do it at the end, okay?
I don't like hauls that aren't try-on.
Yeah, but
hauls.
we're gonna do this and then do the try-on after we order it.
Okay.
All right. So the second one's. So the second ones were another restock at 3 in the morning. My bitch ass was up at 3 a.m. Ooh. These are the True Knit joggers, smoky gray. The black one's a David Lade. David Lade is so gorgeous. But the black ones that you're wearing, they have the gray ones. I don't know. They're okay. I really want the black ones. But what I like about these is that they have a cuffed bottom. And the what is this shit called? Pleated?
I don't know.
Pleated. This shit's pleated, my man. And then cross grain. If you have a thick ass like me, so good. So,
Oh God.
yeah, your Gymshark logo, zippers on the side, and then looks like some heavy duty ninja shit. I don't know. What would you say about this? Isn't just normal lace. It's like, look at these aglets. These fucking aglets.
Insert Phineas and Ferb.
Alright, so the next one is fire. So I'm like a medium or large, and they sold out as I was checking out of the large. Medium was not in stock, so I was fucked. So I had to get an XL. You already know it's the Ultra Jack. Is it Jacquard or Jacquard?
I don't know.
It's Jacquard. Ultra Jacquard. Pull over. I gotta put it on now. XL. Covers my What do you think? You think it fits pretty good? I think it fits good. This shit fire. I wouldn't pair these up. I would buy the matching bottoms so I could look like a fucking Gymshark athlete. Oh, these were a lot more than the regular ones, and it's because of material, like hands down.
Mom, where's your sweet
They got some Spider-Man material. What'd she say? What'd she say? Oh yeah. So like, this is what I was talking about. So like, they have the cuff bottoms, but you can like roll them up. So if you want to be like a hipster, Gymshark even they just released some 3/4 length pants. So shit, you can do that with these. What do you think, man? Shit's fire. It's fucking comfy. You could wear these to your side chick's house, to the gym with your boys.
This angle just shows how short I am.
I'm not putting these on. Should I put these on?
No, I'll show your butt.
Yeah, these will make your booty look good. 3M. But that is all. That is all for this video. Just drop a like. Thumbs up. It helps. See you next time.